are pleased to show you the 2020 Chevrolet Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, compass, power windows, security system, electronic stability control, trip computer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer, brake assist, power driver's seat, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.